Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. Today I create how to apply oiling my hair. Okay, let's get start into the video. I am using this oil. This oil is combination of three oils. These three oils mixing together equal quantity. One is castor oil and next one is olive oil and coconut oil. These three oils mixing together into pour it empty bottle. Okay. Now take some amount of oil and rub your palms and apply your hair. Just massage a little. And apply all over hair. Now apply bottom part of your hair. Apply gently oil from your hair. Okay, don't rub like this. Okay, it prevents split ends. Okay, apply gently like so. Now take small amount of oil and apply your hair ends. Okay. Okay, now applying completed. Now give a massage, little bit massage for 10 minutes. Okay, now massage completed. Now take a white tooth comb and comb your hair, that there are no tangles. Okay, now gather your hair and make a bun. Okay, now bun making completed. Take a butterfly clip and fix it. Okay, this is my hair care routine. Okay, I apply this alternative days. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Bye.